Tiananmen is a technoetic generative art installation that uses generative AI image morphing and 3D fabrication to create 37 chimeric anti-surveillance masks, each algorithmically hybridizing one face from a Tiananmen Square protester, 1989 China, with one face from an Iranian protester, 2026, collectively marking the 37 years between the two massacres. Through an AR application, audiences can scan each mask, whether displayed or worn, using an iPad to superpose the generative AI animation that transitions between the two protesters' faces, revealing the in-between zones where state violence, global political and economic convenience, and technological infrastructures of control converge, while rendering faces unreadable, resisting biometric capture, and foregrounding opacity as an ethical, aesthetic, and political strategy for survival, dignity, and collective resistance across time and geopolitical boundaries.